Hey guys, it's Dave. This is round two. My first video didn't save for some reason. So it was like a good 25 minutes. I'm not going to do that again. What I am going to do though is this again. This is my favorites. These are the names I'm interested in and potentially entering this week. So here is an overall look at them, ones that I'm watching to enter this week. On my first time around, I went through the names that I like the most. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Firstly, MSTR. I missed the retest on Thursday. Friday hit a gorgeous move. So what I will be doing is I'll be looking on the 30-minute time frame, see if we get a pullback maybe to like 50% of the move. 205, 206 area, I'd be interested in putting a stop loss maybe below the low of that day. What we could also do is anchor VWAP, set it to that day, and we can see how it's not going to show, but we'll see how price respects that VWAP. Next, I did like PTON. PTON, it broke Peloton. Broke this level, so it broke it on volume. So I will be looking for continuation here in this name. Maybe continuation for the next 2-3 days, but I am going to anticipate if it wants to hit this prior resistance here, 684, see if there's supply and go hunt that down. That'd be a nice move. Otherwise, I would be anticipating some sort of pullback and testing this 520-ish level. Next, I liked Woof. Woof was hitting this level. Sorry. Either way, it broke this level, failed here. I can see it pulling back. It pulled back to the 20 EMA. Nice volume on Friday with a nice push up. We'll see if it wants to get back above that level. But if it does, this could be potentially a nice low. Again, it moved some 7.5% on Friday. So if it wants to give back any of that move Monday morning, a little pullback, and you can get in and put a stop loss below, 445, call it. Next, I liked Love, CRMD, LOL. I've been watching this since 8:15, just watching it go without me. It's been great. Love, I loved, pun intended, this breakout level here. Now it's came back and held the retest and now pushed away on increasing volume on Friday. So this is looking like a nice reversal type play. PLTR was another name that I really liked. I missed the entry on, this would have been Thursday. This would have been a nice entry with the stop loss below this bottoming tail. Friday started pushing away. I tried to enter on Friday, but it didn't pull back to the VWAP at the end of the day. And so I never got in. Next was Ralph Lauren, RL. I like this breakout here and retest, and it continues to grind higher. If it wants to break that high, it can continue on. MP was another decent name. It broke this high on a gap, and now it's had 2 inside days of that Wednesday gap up, right? And so it is at these prior highs. So it might just be consolidating, getting tight to blast off and kind of hit and break this resistance area it is at now. Maybe it'll go to that guy right there. We shall see. Next, RKLB. This is one of my favorites. I wanted to enter this on Friday. I don't remember why I didn't, but I just didn't. Simply, it's consolidated for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, maybe 3. Broke that on volume, and now it's kind of resting above there. I would like a test of the 1020 so I can get in. But if it doesn't want to do that, if it wants to start pushing higher with a close to 20% short float, this could be a potential nice risk here at 1040 if it wants to start pushing higher. Cart was another one that I liked. I'm just going to move to it. It broke these highs, and now it's holding above it with the 10 EMA catching on up. Flex was another nice one that I really liked. Nice large base, broke above these resistance levels, came back to retest it at the 10 EMA, and now it looks like it might want to start pushing forward. We'll see. But overall, it's a decent look. Tesla is a name that I'm always watching. Super tight in here for 6 trading days. It was tight over here in what is that, May to June. It exploded. We do have earnings coming up in a couple of days, so be mindful of that. CVNA, CAT was a decent look too. It's just staying above these highs here.
CVNA consolidating, watching for a break of these highs. It's time correcting and let the 10 EMA catch on up. So this could have a nice another little push at 13%. Short float. EXEL, nice large bar. I've been watching to see how this wanted to move. We can put an anchor VWAP to this guy and see how price wants to respect that. Last time I anchored it to this pulled back to the area there. I don't know why this. There it is. So pull back to there. This could be a nice risk reward area for EXEL. Next, Uber. I did trade Uber already. I was looking for a gap, or I was actually looking for a failure to fill the gap. However, it is now filling the gap. Now we have a potential, 10 EMA, 20 EMA pullback. If it wants to set higher lows here, it's set a higher high. It's a strong move. So we're just waiting for buyers to step on in. Once it starts maybe curling back up, this area could be a potential good area to set a stop loss to. ASTS broke this downtrend line, pull back, and maybe it's going to pull back a little bit deeper. To test that downtrend line, I would be a buyer around 26, and you can set a stop loss around actually this big green bar. I'd put a stop at the low of that day, be like the ignition bar. That's a decent look that I liked as well. Lunar was a decent look, broke this downtrend line, curled around, consolidated, broke higher, and now it's looking like it wants to maybe grind higher. It's in an uptrend, right? So it's a 20 EMA pullback, and it's heading on up now. Excuse me. SMMT hitting this level of consolidation here, pulling back, potential higher low versus that. So this looks like it might start wanting to trend higher on the 12% short float. Zeta, this is respected the 50 SMA 1-2 times in the past. That's just within this look. It's actually respected that a little bit more. You can count this guy right here. So there's 3, maybe 4 here after breaking this sideways trend. So this could be a 50 SMA pullback. It's been a strong stock. I don't know why it got smacked on Friday, but it did. Another look that I liked was DFS, wherever that might be in here. Where art thou? I didn't see it. Did you? DFS. Broke these highs, came back retesting, and then on Friday we have a nice bottoming tail, right? So pretty simple. That's what I liked. AEHR was another one that I skipped that I like too. Nice rounding bottom, broke out, big gap, right? Or not. I lied. I'm sorry. It's not a gap, but big bottoming tail, a lot of volume. Came back, pulled up, and now it's starting to curl upwards with a 19% short float. So this looks like it might want to go test this 1870 high. All right, those are the names. Hopefully this is helpful. Sorry, I had to rush through this one. I already spent 25 minutes doing a video. This is my second one. So those are like the favorites of the favorites for this week of what I have on my watch list that I continue to build out. I see a lot of good names on there, but this is what I got time for. All right, stay safe. Have a good weekend. If you guys are looking for a community to come trade with, come check out Equities, ETC. Come check out Micro E Futures. We're a great squad over here. If you guys are looking for professional trading tools with back testing and AI and all this special, awesome bars and tools and scans and whatnot, check out Trade Ideas. It's the best tech. I am an affiliate with them, and I'm an affiliate with them for a reason. I love what they do. I love what they stand for. I love the tech that they give out. I love the innovation. So check it out. You won't regret it. It makes my life a lot easier. All right. Have a good one. Stay safe. Risk management. Have a great week. Go make some money. Later.